kulang tayo ng oras doon. Tsaka hindi kayo makakapaglaro, baka makakapaglaro lang sa isang category. So minabuti namin na unahin yung 19 under para nandito kayo lahat. Tapos na yung season 7 natin. So i-acknowledge naman natin yung mga magagandang ginawa ng season 7. Kaya kayo nandito, champion team at saka all-star na members. Kasi kung hindi namin gagawin maglalaro kayo ngayon, sigurado ako hindi pupunta yung iba sa inyo. Now, so magkakaroon tayo ng awarding. Ngayon, yung awarding natin, simple lang. Walang masyadong walang bongga. Bakit? Ano lang naman tayo ngayon eh. Alam niyo naman, independent si YB. Wala tayong kinukuhang budget sa iba. Pera niyo yan, pinaglalaro niyo dito. Naintindihan niyo ba? Yung binabayad niyo, yun din ang nilalaro niyo rito. So, wala rin prizes ang Young Bowlers. Yun po ang ito nyo. So, yung isipin yung prize. Tumatawa ka, Bulente. Iniisip mo bang may prize? Ano lang? Walang prize. Ang meron lang dito is yung pride. Ano yung pride? Hindi yun sabon, ha? Pride ninyo na naglalaro dito sa Young Bowlers. Bago natin simulan yung awarding, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge yung mga bumubuo ng Young Bowlers. Kasi kung wala sila, wala natin dyan. So i-acknowledge ko yung mga committee natin. Sa mga committee. Vice President tayo, ito yung PC. Pero internal sila po sugay na tayo. Ang circle awarding, kasi tuloy tinilig ka na awards. May awards tayo based on merit. Based on attendance. So, kulang sa attendance nyo, siyempre, unad sa may bakuso, yung madalas naglalaro. Ibigay naman natin yung benefit sa kanila kasi syempre, every time na may laro, nandun sila. Present lagi sila sa laro. Sa mga nandito rin na inayang ng laro, meron pa kayo ba sa next season? Kaya niyo pa ba maglaro next season? Dito pa ba kayo sa 19 Kaya pa ba? So, start natin yung
second.
Awarding. Ang awarding natin is consists of second mythical 5, first mythical 5, second mythical, first mythical 5, champion, runners-up, nandiyan wala na runners-up, Kansai MVP. MVP, Pinax MVP, season MVP. So, ang kalimatan, laon-turatan niya. Yan, awards siya. So, start nila. So, second mythical 5 natin.
To be awarded by John Allen.
To be awarded by John Allen and Mr. Mark Angelo Kawa. The second mythical 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome second mythical 5. From Team Capital Century 3, for being selected as the prestigious member of the second medical fight YB Series 7 basketball tournament 1900 division with the team Luntiang Kapaligiran. In recognition of their exceptional skills and bravery, dedication, and remarkable performance throughout the tournament. awarded the Street Day of June 2025 at St. Columban Gymnasium. Signed, Christopher De Leon, President. Attorney Vito Carama, Vice President. Unang babanggitin ko, mga kaibigan, from Team Capital Century 3, Asher Elegado.
Inner sa background nyo. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay.
Next part of second medical fight. Also from Team Capital Century 3.
Basing.
Basing. Sorry, Basing. Ayan. Fritz Avalos.
Fritz Avalos. Sige lang. Alright. And 1, 2, 3.
From Avenida Team, J.M. Fernandez.
Albert. Alright. 1, 2. Ulit. 1, 2.
Next from Team Basing, Nico Lee Rosario.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2.
From Team Albion, Kurt D. Patakutan.
Okay. And 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Sir po picture, all second medical fight. Group picture.
Jalay mo. Sama kayo dyan para magandang tignan. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating second medical fight.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay. Congratulations. Our second medical fight.
First medical fight. That's next. First medical fight from Capital Century 3. Sabi po ang nanalo sa ating All-Star Special Edition. I know you have your idea. Odyssey Cabanilla. First medical fight.
Okay. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Next first medical fight, galing din po sa Capitals Century 3. Lebron Bentigan.
Next. Isa pa na eh. Sir Dave. Okay. And 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay.
Next one, Capital Century 3, Clyde Ansola.
Okay. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay.
From Team Avenida West, Richard Arbolente. together with the coach.
Okay, 1, 2, isa pa. 1, 2.
Last but not the least, from Team Abilido West,
Tyson.
join the top first medical fight, Tyson Paragas.
Tyson Paracas, wala dito. Pero, sinong pwedeng receive? Coach. Tyson Paracas. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay. Center. Yung 5 muna. First medical 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, officers. Officers, committee, sige na. Okay, pabagal-bagal. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Last. Okay. Congratulations sa ating first medical 5.
Congratulations for first medical fight.
Yung mythical natin, yung second mythical fight, galing yan sa ibang teams yan. So, yung first mythical fight natin, galing yan sa first overall taka-champion. Okay, basta niya ha. Yan na naman. Tapos, continue tayo sa sa runners up.
Hindi, champions naman. Arami champions naman.
Hindi, may runners up nga raw kapitira ba?
Picture ka yan.
First runner up for our 19 under division. Ano pang bukang magkano ka talaga?
May players lang lang. Tapos yun, tila ba yan? Pang...
Season 7, 19 under. First runner-up. Team Abilida Pandan.
Avenida West Pandan. Yung mga Avenida West Pandan, picture na lang. Avenida West Pandan. Avenida West.
Abilida West Pandan. Nice game. Together with your coach, Coach Mark Malawang. Awit tayo next season.
Okay, 1, 2, one more. 1, 2. Marami pa. Wala naman sila. Bating na sila.
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the Team Basing and Team Alviar. Okay, please come over po for the group picture.
Albiar and Basing. Picture lang.
Team Basing with the coach, Crooks,
Brooks.
and then Team Alviar, attorney and Hussein.
Kasi. Gila.
Yan po yung ating mga runners up.
Okay. 1, 2. Isa pa. Harap. Last. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again, Team Basing and Team Alviar. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Dati no, na may iter ko may sponsor ko yan. Video mo ba? Aba mag-video ba? Sa mo.
YB Season 7 Basketball Tournament Champion 19 Under Division with the team Lukian Kamalitihan held on May 20, 2025 is none other than
Lasot sila.
Capital Century 3. FM. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kamakain ko sa inyong mga pangalan. From Capital Century 3, Gabe Christian De Leon, Ryan Christopher De Leon, please come over. Shiley Perala, Suminta. Kenneth Manuel. JR The Twin. Justin Lee Suminta. Christian Reyes.
Okay. 1, 2, isa pa.
H. Manuel Santos. Siki Christopher De Leon.
Zeki. Zeki. 1, 2, isa pa. 1, 2.
Joshua Baltasar.
Joshua Claveria.
Also from Team Capital Century 3,
Error. Ayusin natin. Sorry. My fault.
Angelo Manalo.
One, two.
AJ Robosa. Jericho Antonio. Joshua Alaveria. Samuel Ito Manuel.
Okay, 1, 2.
Next on the list, Asher Eligado.
Okay, 1, 2.
Gian Clifford Baltasar.
Yun yung pangalan niya talaga. Okay na.
Odyssey Cabanilla.
Ulitin natin, Gian.
Forgot your date?
Okay, 1, 2. Isa pa.
Nivea Men is for skin.
Next, Lebron Bintigan.
Akin na, interview lang natin. Ay, iba man na.
And Clyde Ansola.
1, 2. Okay.
Okay, group picture. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating YB Season 7
Skip.
under Grand Champion Team Capital Century.
Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Our coach,
All right.
our very own President Christopher De Leon.
Sponsored by Sige. O si Kalabo, Brooks. Brooks si Kalabo.
Hello. Members.
Wait,